loves, it's your girl ChanelleNovosey, and today I'm going to be showing you guys how to DIY a mirrored nightstand. And I actually picked it up from Ikea. I got the inspiration from my fellow YouTuber April B. She shows you how to do it from beginning to end, so thank you, April. I'll have the link to her YouTube channel listed in the description box. Today I'm also going to be showing you guys this over-the-door jewelry organizer that I picked up from Amazon. It is the best. It also has an LED light in the inside of it. It's helping me to stay organized, to put all of my jewelry, my makeup, and some of my perfumes in the same spot. Also, on top of the drawer that I made, I placed my very first DIY, that lamp there. And also I spray painted one of my old mirrors and placed it on top as a vanity sort of a mirror. So that's what you'll be seeing today. And also I picked up some luggage from Amazon, as well as luggage organizers that go on the inside. So that is the theme for my life right now, is just to be more organized. So I'll show you guys those things, and then I'll show you how I created this dresser drawer. I hope you enjoyed today's video. If you are new to my channel and you're not subscribed, take a moment. I know we all say that, but I truly would love it if you would just become part of the community. Hit the subscribe button. Also, make sure you hit the notification bell so you can be alerted each and every time that I upload something new. Without further ado, let's get right into the DIY. Okay, love, so first I'm going to be showing you this mirror that I spray painted. I took it out of my living room. It was originally black and I spray painted it with some metallic silver spray paint. It turned out really cute. Also, this is one of the lamps that I transformed on my YouTube channel. If you want to check that out, it'll be in the description box. All I did was add some perfumes onto here. These are some of my favorite perfumes, just to give it a little bit more of a pop, but you can get those mirrors from the Dollar Tree. And I just simply added a vanity mirror on here as well. Here is what the lamp looks like up close and personal. I just put mirrors on the front of the drawers. The knobs are little diamonds and those came from Amazon. It turned out beautiful. Again, I didn't do the sides of the drawers. I just had enough mirror to go on the front. The store that I went to, it was Lowe's. They only had enough to fit the front of my drawers, unfortunately. But it turned out great. I love this room. I did not fully spray paint the inside of it. What I'm going to do, and I did order some but they didn't fit, is I'm going to place some drawer organizers inside of there. But it turned out beautiful. I love this. Love, love, love it. Everything is nice and sturdy. It turned out beautiful. Okay, love, so I did order some drawer organizers to go inside of the drawers, just because you know, you're spray painting it and I don't want any of that to get on my clothes. So I ordered these. They came from Amazon. Took 2 days to get here. Very nice. You just zip them up on the bottom, and then this is what it looks like on the top. And I believe this is for your underwear, and then this one is for your socks or underwear, whichever you prefer. These would fit perfectly in my drawers. There would still be some room on the sides, and I should have measured before I ordered these. But then the bigger ones, which are really nice, these are for your bras. And so I'm gonna return it, but I wanted to show you what some drawer organizers look like. This one is really nice. You can throw a ton of stuff up in this one as well. Okay, love, so next I'm going to be showing you this over-the-door jewelry organizer that I got from Amazon. Super nice. Again, check the description box for the 50% off discount code. You're going to love that. This is pretty big. It gives you that over-the-door mirror that you need, you know, when you're checking yourself out in the morning, but then it also allows you to stay organized with putting all of your jewelry in here. So it's very nice. It's not super bulky, and that's what I love about it. So it does have a key right here that you can go ahead and lock your items up with if you do have siblings and you're worried about them, you know, taking your items, or you're in the dorm room and you share it with someone. I think that'd be great. So it does allow you to lock it up. I'm gonna open it up and show you what it looks like. And the top of this is for your rings. I'm not a huge ring fan. I just have a couple. Of course, it has bling on it. And you can just push them right inside of here. But if you have rings, this is perfect for you. Just place your rings all at the top of the jewelry organizer. I have my necklaces here on the bottom. If you guys can already tell, your girl loves some bling. I am the bling queen, definitely. I have some of my makeup on the top shelf here and some of my perfumes, some bangles, some more chokers, some nail polishes, as well as some body jewelry and perfume and makeup at the bottom. And on this side here, I use this for my earrings to hang, my dangly earrings. So I have a few listed here, as well as some of my bangles. So it has a nice little rack for you to place your bangles and your bracelets right on here. I use it for my hoops as well as for my chokers. I love chokers, that's my thing. As well as some of my watches right here on the bottom. And then I have some necklaces under here as well. I use the bottom of this section quite a bit, so I'll show you guys closer up. So on the left hand side, I have my earrings, and they have nice little slits for you to place your earrings inside of. There's a bar there for you to place your bangles and your bracelets. I use it for hoops as well as for my choker necklaces. And then on the bottom left side, I have mostly for my watches and my necklaces. This thing is life. I probably could do a better job organizing it, but it definitely helps me to stay organized. I love this, and I have been wanting something like this for so long. I usually just put everything into like a box, so this was life to me. You guys check out the description box. You can see a 50% off code for this. And at the bottom there are drawers right here. I use this for my stud earrings so that they won't get lost since they won't fit on the top. And then some little makeup samples, some perfumes and little makeup parts that I got from MAC or something like that. So that's what it looks like. Okay, love, so lastly, before I start the DIY, I want to show you part of this luggage set that I got. It's a 3-set piece. It's very nice. It's a hard case suitcase. This is the big one. It's so nice. It does have combination set right here so that you can lock your luggage, so you don't have to worry about buying one. You can, in addition to this, to get the TSA one, but it already has a built-in lock with it, which is great. The handles are very durable, very, very nice. I love this. I'm going to show you the inside of it. So in the inside of the luggage, it is very nice. They have these straps in the inside so that you can strap your items down to the inside of the luggage so it won't go all over the place. They also have a cover on the top so you can keep your items separate. And then there's also the bag where you can put your like dirty clothes and stuff in to separate everything. You can unzip the top part, and that's where you'll put the rest of your clothes at. This is a huge suitcase and it's a 3-set piece. So you can check this out on the Amazon store listed in a description box. I also picked up some of these luggage organizers. There's a medium one, a large one, and a small one, which I will probably use for my cosmetics and my bath items. But I picked this up from Amazon, as well as these. This is the big one. It helps separate your clothes. I am so into organization these days. That is going to help me to stay organized. So without further ado, let's go ahead and get into the DIY. If you're new to my channel, make sure you hit the subscribe button. Also hit the notification bell. I'll see you all really soon in another video. Have a good one. Okay, love, so first you're going to fully assemble the Ikea dresser. Next, I'm going to take 2 mirrors that I purchased. One was from Rast on the left side, and the other black one, I got that from Family Dollar. I'm going to take some tissue paper and fully cover the mirror section so that the spray paint won't get onto the mirrors. And then I'm going to take some painter's tape and apply that all around the tissue paper. Be sure to get as close up to the edge as possible. And here's what it will look like. Next, I'm going to take some Krylon Platinum Metallic Sterling Silver spray paint and fully spray paint the dresser. I just did the tops and the sides, and yes, I should have had a mask on for sure. I did not spray paint the inside. And I'm also going to spray paint the front of the drawers and the sides. Try your hardest not to spray paint the inside. And then I'm going over it with a metallic silver primer spray paint. I will list it in the description box. And here's what it will look like. And here's the dresser. So then I just flip them over and I'm spray painting the sides. You don't have to do this. It was for aesthetics. If I pull the drawer out, you won't be able to see that. Okay, so I'm going to take the frames and fully spray paint those as well. I did about 2 coats for this. And I bought that cloth underneath there from Lowe's. It was quite helpful. And here's what it'll look like once you fully spray painted your dresser. Okay, so next I'm going to take some doorknobs that I got from Amazon. They are shaped like diamonds. And I'm going to take these clamps that I also got from Amazon, and some mirror marble and granite adhesive that I got from Lowe's, as well as a caulking gun. I think that's what it's called. And these mirrors that I got from Lowe's as well. I'm going to cut off the top, pull the lever back, place the adhesive inside, and I'm going to just poke a hole in it using a dip. And you're just going to apply glue to the back of your mirrors. I used a heavy amount because I really did not want the glue to not stick to the dresser at all. But I didn't have any problems with the glue spilling out around the sides, not too much. If I did, I just cleaned it up with a cloth. I'm going to use my clamps to secure those in place and repeat the same steps on the other mirrors and dressers. This was so much fun, you guys. You definitely are going to want to try this DIY. And here's what it will look like once you've applied your clamps. I would allow these to dry for at least 24 hours. But first, what I'm going to do is I'm going to take my knobs and I'm going to apply them to the dressers. So here they are again. Super cute. Going to use some E600. You can get this at your local craft store. But first I'm going to measure the exact area that I want the knobs to go at so that it can be fully aligned on each drawer. If you want those measurements, check the description box. I'll have it listed. Add your glue to the back of your doorknob. We are not going to use the screws, just add adhesive. Don't worry, it is so secure. I have not had any problems with the dressers coming apart from using glue instead of the knobs. Instead of the screws, excuse me. And here's what it will look like. You're gonna just let these dry for 24 hours, place your dressers inside of your drawer, and that's it. Presto alakazam. I Absolutely love this. It turned out beautiful. You're going to give it a nice spray down with some Windex, and here's what it will look like. I may go back and add some vanity lights around the mirror, but I am in love with this stand. It turned out beautiful. I hope you guys enjoyed it. Make sure that you like, share, and subscribe. Until next time, I'll see you all later. Bye.